Hi, I'd like to show you this crappy, dangerous charger I got off eBay. If you come across a charger like this, or very similar, you must throw it away. It's extremely dangerous. It's a fire hazard and a shock hazard. First thing is, there is a non-standard UK plug on here, which is unfused. It's illegal, doesn't conform to British safety standards. With there being no fuse in there, if you get a short circuit in here, with the British household supply, we get 30 amps running down this cable, which will set it on fire. The other thing is, watch out for it, it's extremely light. Now, as you can see, it only weighs 147 grams, or 148. It's very light, very cheap and nasty. The other thing is, as well, the cables can't handle the current. I mean, this thing is rated at 5 amps. Now, if you look at this cable here, it is the cheapest, crappiest wire. I mean, you can just barely see that there. That has to be a thickness of about 0.2 millimeters. It can handle about a quarter of an amp at most. And what makes it even worse is steel wiring. Look, it sticks to a magnet. So that's not aluminium or copper, it's steel, which is the worst material you can make a cable out of that's carrying electrical current. Just look at that. So, yeah, so the major problem as well is it's obviously non-isolated design because there's high voltage on the output connector, which I will show you now. Right, so if I plug this into the wall, right, I don't want to turn it on just yet, so I just want to put my meter on AC, which already is, and negative. So if I now put this on something that's earthed, you'll get about 95 volts. And the easiest thing to do with that is plug it into the earth socket on the mains. So there, if you can just briefly saw that, but it isn't long enough. There, 96 volts AC between earth and the negative terminal. Now, what to do is put that on there. Positive I will put on to an earthed device, like my cooker here. 11 volts there, that's probably because that's plastic. There we are. There we go, 95 volts between the casing of my oven and the negative terminal. What do we have on the positive? $95 volts again, right. And that's literally connected to one of the shelves in my oven. So I'll turn it off. That is dangerous. Now if you see any of these chargers that have the plug on like that, don't just cut that off and replace it with another plug. An entire charger should be thrown away because it's highly unlikely there's a fuse in there. And it obviously doesn't use the proper isolation between the primary and secondary sides of the power supply, leading to anyone that grabs hold of the end of that. If anyone grabs hold of the end of that and simultaneously touches anything that's earthed, such as another appliance, they could potentially get a fatal shock. So, yeah, here it is in more detail. It's got a CE logo, but it will be fake. Yeah. Just check the rest of the wires, see if they're steel as well. Now I did actually try this and it does actually charge a battery, it does actually work, but obviously it's dangerous and this cable gets extremely hot, which it would do with. It just acts like a massive resistor. Now, yeah, that's magnetic as well. Yeah. That's magnetic, yeah, magnetic. That's steel wire as well. Ben's cable. That's not. But I doubt it'll be copper. I might want it to be aluminium. But yeah, I think that's about it. Just watch out for these. Come with someone on eBay, AliExpress, that sort of places. Come across them, got a plug like that, take giveaway. Don't even use it, just throw it away. Yeah, thanks for watching.